In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see archived deals in Freshsales CRM. If you've been navigating the Freshsales CRM and are wondering how to access your archived deals, you've come to the right place. Let's take a look at how you can do this in just a few simple steps. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head to the Freshsales website. Once there, you'll notice a login button conveniently located at the top right corner of the homepage. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the sign-in page. Now, you'll need to type in your email address to continue logging in. Make sure to use the email tied to your Freshsales account. Once you've input your email, proceed by completing the sign-in process as prompted. After landing on your Freshsales dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the Deals section. You can easily find this in the left-hand panel of the interface. Clicking on Deals will open up the area where all your sales deals are tracked. Now that you're in the Deals section, it's time to zero in on the deals you want to view. To do this, locate the Filter option. Clicking on it will allow you to customize which deals are displayed, which is particularly useful if you have an abundant number of entries. As you're customizing your filters, you'll want to keep an eye out for the Show More option, located in the right panel. Clicking Show More will expand your filtering capabilities, providing you with even more options to refine your search. Within these options, you'll find a specific filter called Lost. This is the key filter you'll need to apply, since Freshsales categorizes archived deals under this label. Simply click on Lost to add this condition to your filter settings. Once you've selected the Lost option, finalize your filter setup by clicking Apply. This crucial step will enact all the filters you've customized and bring up a list of all your archived or lost deals. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the Freshsales CRM to find your archived deals. By following these steps, you should now have all the information you need at your fingertips and be able to manage your sales data with greater ease. Remember, navigating through tech platforms like Freshsales might seem daunting at first, but with a little practice, you'll soon find it intuitive. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to access archived information again. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.